In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert your 16:9 portrait video into a 9:16 landscape video in Adobe Premiere Pro for iPad. Go ahead and open up Adobe Premiere Pro on your iPad. Click on the little plus sign on the bottom right-hand corner to import your video. Choose your video and click Next. Your video will now import onto the timeline. When you play your video, you can clearly see it's in the horizontal 16:9 portrait video aspect ratio. Stop your video from playing and now highlight the video on your timeline simply by pressing it. We're going to go up to the aspect ratio settings, which is directly above the video preview and to the left of the full screen preview. In the aspect ratio settings, you can clearly see we have a bunch of different aspect ratios that we could choose from. We have 16:9, 9:16, 4:3, and so forth. You want to go ahead and click on the 9:16 aspect ratio. That is the vertical format, which is for your TikTok videos and your Instagram reels and so forth. After you convert it to 9:16, you want your background to be blurred, just like you see here on my timeline. Now, if it's not blurred, that's okay. We're going to fix that. Make sure that your video clip is selected and highlighted. Scroll down to background. Now, when you click on background, you'll see three options. Out of those three, you want to go ahead and click on blurred. So go ahead and click on it now. As you can see, our video is still in the 16:9 portrait mode aspect ratio. However, it's cropped or scaled rather into the vertical 9:16 landscape format. Now with your video highlighted, you can actually zoom in a little bit or as much as you want. Personally, I like to leave it as is so that you can see the whole entire video, even though it's in the 9:16 vertical landscape mode. You're ready to now export the video, so head on up to the top right hand corner and click on that little share button. Here you'll find all your export settings, your resolution, your frame rate, and your quality. Choose whatever it is that you like, and then click on export. And that's it. Now you can go ahead and upload all your 16:9 portrait videos onto 9:16 vertical landscape platforms such as TikTok and Instagram Reels. If you found this tutorial useful, please drop a comment below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time.